Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss one important interview question, that is find first unique character from a string. So let's start that. Let's go to IntelliJ and create one class, new Java class, that is first unique char test. Okay, let's create the main method. I have a string. Let's say str equal to, let's say, Swiss. Okay, so from this Swiss I will find out the first unique character. Let's observe here. So what I will do, let's create one integer variable, int length, and store the length of string there. Now what I'll do, I'll write down on for loop, or int I is equal to 0, I less than length minus 1, I plus plus. Then what I will do, I will just create one character variable and store the value like str dot char at I. So basically it will store all the values. Now what I will do, I will check the index position. So if str dot index of c, okay, is equal to str dot last index of c. What I'm trying to tell here is, index of will return index of that particular character, particular string basically, and last index of will return the last index number of the string. What I'm trying to tell, if the index of c, index of the character, is the last index of c, that means this character doesn't have any duplicate. So it will be the first and last index of that particular character. In that case, what I will write down, I will write down system.out.println c, and I will break. Okay, so it will print the first unique character and it will break. Okay, so let's run this. So here I would expect the result will be W. Let's run this. And we will found the result would be W. Okay. Got it? The main logic is str.index of c is equal to str.lastIndexOf of c. That means that character index will not change in that particular string. Okay, guys, same thing. Let's do in some other way. Okay, so how can we do that? Let's do one thing. We can do. Okay, let's think of. Okay, let's create one flag here. Okay, I'll create one flag, boolean flag. Let's say boolean flag. Okay, boolean flag is equal to, let's say, true. Initially, boolean flag will be true. Now, what I'll do, I will create one more loop for for where I will take int j is equal to 0, j less than length minus 1, j plus plus. Okay, and what I'm going to check here, if str dot car at I str, that means str dot car at I, the index number. Okay, let's it will be j, str dot car at j, otherwise it will be str dot car at I equal to, let's say, str dot car at j. That means both the index are same. And also I would get one condition, I should not be equal to j, and okay, so what I mentioned here, when I not equal to j, that means both the index should not be same. That means it should not point to same index. The index should be different, and both car at I and car at j is equal. If that's the case, then I will make the flag as false. That means it's a duplicate. Okay. Then I'll write down one condition. If that is unique, if if the character is unique, so the flag will be true. So if it's true, then I'll write down system.out.println car str dot car at I. Okay. Understood. So let's run this. Understood. So basically what I did, I will go through one second. So I have taken a string and I just find out the length. of the string. Then I just write down one for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than length minus 1, I plus plus. Here exactly what I did, I just make flag is true. Then I took one more for loop where that is int is j is equal to 0, j less than length minus 1, j plus plus. Then here I am comparing both I and j values. So if I not equal to j, that means both the index would be different. And if str.caret I and str.caret j equal to str.caret j, that means both the characters are same, and that character is present in different index. So in that case, I will make it as false. So it should not be unique. It should be duplicate. Character will be duplicate. So I will come out of the for loop and I will find out flag. That means which character is unique. So I will display that. And once I display the first unique character, I will break that. Otherwise, it will display other unique characters also. Okay, let's run this. Let's run this. I would expect the unique value will be W. Unique character will be W. Okay, unique character is W. Okay, so we can also do it in other way. Let's do it in collection, using a collection. So what I will do, I will just create one map, character, integer, map is equal to new HashMap. I just created one map. Let's import the map. Then what I will do, I will create one for loop for, let's keep the length variable int length equal to str dot length. Okay, then what I will do, I will create one for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than length minus 1, I plus plus. Then what I will do, I will just create one character variable char c is equal to str dot caret I. So basically what it will do, it will get one by one character, all the characters. So here I will check if let's say map dot contains key of C, that means if map dot contains key, that means always if already this character is present in the map, because all the characters will enter as a key and value will be integer, I mean to say. So value will be value. So in that case what I will do, I will just put map dot put C comma map dot get of C plus 1. So what I will do, basically if already that character is present in the map, then in that case I will just increase the character count. Okay, So C map dot get of C means map dot get of that particular character plus 1. So the value will be so the value will be plus 1. If else, what I will do, it will be, if it doesn't, the character is not present in the map, that case I will just simply put map dot put C comma 1. Okay, so the value will be 1 for particular character. Okay, so map is ready. So now what I will do, I will just iterate through the map. Okay, first let's run this. Run this, then you can get the idea. So what it will print, it should print the character with the number. Okay, so S is 2, W is 1, I is equal to 1. Perfect. So now what it will do, light read through the map. Okay, so in this case what I will do, map dot entry, then we'll write down character integer, let's say entry set, so map dot entry set. What it will do, let's create one for, basically it will store all the values of, it will store all the key and value in entry set. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I will just what I will do, I will just write down on condition, if entry set dot get value is equal to 1, that means if the entry set value get value equal to 1, that means it is a unique character. So in that case what I will write down, I will just print system.out.println entry set dot get key. Okay, and what I will do, I will break it. Okay, so this way it will print the unit character. So I would expect, let's run this, I would expect it will display W. Okay, let's run this. Okay, perfect. That's it, guys. So this way, these different ways, how can we find the first unique character from a string? So that's it, guys. I will come with one new topic. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much.